Hello, I am Dr. Santosh Jaju, working as Dean Research and Development and Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering of GH Raisoni College of Engineering, Nagpur, with 29 years of teaching experience. I graduated in Mechanical Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Amravati, obtained Master's degree in Industrial Engineering from VRC Nagpur, which is now VNIT, and received PhD from Rashtrasant Tukdoji Maharaj Nagpur University, Nagpur. Then completed Master of Business Administration from IGNOU, New Delhi. I have more than 140 research papers published in national and international journals and conferences with 11 books and 9 book chapters. Attended more than 115 symposiums, short-term courses, trainings and workshops. Delivered more than 110 expert lectures. Organized more than 85 seminars, workshops, short-term training programs and conferences. Completed 16 courses of NPTEL SWAYAM with elite certification and topper in 4 courses. I am serving as Chairman Board of Studies of MBA, Mechanical Engineering Board of RTMNU, Member of Academic Council and Board of Governance of GHRC. I am attached to many prestigious professional societies like Institution of Engineers India, IST in New Delhi, Indian Institution of Industrial Engineering Mumbai, Indian Society of Mechanical Engineers New Delhi, IEEE Robotics and Automation Society and ASME. I am certified lead auditor of ISO 9001-2008 QMS by IRCA UK. I have guided 32 UG projects, 39 PG dissertations, 6 PhDs have been awarded, 4 PhD students are ongoing. I have filed 24 patents, out of which 6 patents have been granted. 11 copyrights have been filed, and I have transferred technology to industry. I have received 3 AICT RPS projects, AICT FDP, AICT Samruddhi scheme, AICT Idea Lab, RGSTC scheme of RTMNU, AICT Atal FDP, DST Feast, NPTEL Star Conference support totaling to grant of more than 215 lakhs. Apart from this, I have completed more than 25 industry projects and brought significant savings and was associated with TechCube 1 and TechCube 2 projects of MHRD, Government of India, which is now Ministry of Education. Selected for prestigious AICT UKRE Technical Leadership Program. Visited National University of Singapore, Multimedia University, Malaysia, University of Technology, Mauritius, various universities in Dubai. Received 30 awards. To name Best Teacher Award by GHRC, Best Teacher Award by RTMNU, Nav Bharat Naurashtra Pratibha Samman Award, Best Case Study Award and Times of India of the Education Award, NPTEL Discipline Star Motivated Learner Award, Domain Certification and 16 Best Paper Awards. I am thankful to AICT and seek blessings for my nomination in National Award to Teachers 2026.